in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide your cursor from appearing on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is tap the Option, Control, and a K key combination on your keyboard. Again, the Option, Control, and K key while using the F8 key in a full screen app, or you can change the settings to hide it automatically. Another quick method is to press a key such as F9, as the cursor will often disappear after a second or two, especially in full screen mode. And that's pretty much it. You just would tap the same command keys in order to undo that again. It would be Option, Control, and K. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.